Ready to ditch that webcam and unleash the power of your Nikon Z30 for crystal clear live streams? First, you'll need a USB cable, preferably the one that came with your Z30, to connect your camera to your laptop via the USB port. Next, head over to the official Nikon website and download the Nikon Webcam utility. This software is crucial as it allows your computer to recognize the Z30 as a webcam. Make sure you download the correct version for your operating system. Once downloaded, install the Nikon Webcam utility following the on-screen instructions. This process may require you to restart your computer, so save any important work before proceeding. Now, open your preferred streaming software like OBS Studio, Streamlabs, or zoom in the video settings. Select the Nikon Webcam utility as your camera source. It might be listed as Nikon Corporation. On your Z30, make sure you're in movie mode. Adjust your camera settings for the best image quality. Consider things like aperture for depth of field, ISO for low light, and focus mode for sharp video. Finally, pay attention to lighting and background. Good lighting is key for a professional look, and a clean, uncluttered background minimizes distractions for your viewers. And that's it. You're now set up to stream with your Nikon Z30, offering a significant upgrade in video quality compared to your laptop's built-in webcam. Enjoy your enhanced streaming experience. Remember to like and subscribe for more camera tips and tricks.